This made whitening my teeth feel way less like a chore and way more like a quick part of my routine. This product was gifted to me by the company, and I was pleasantly surprised by how simple and fuss free the whole process was. I love that it comes in a nice, sturdy box. That way, I can keep everything all together after I get done using it and cleaning it up. It came already charged, so I was excited to be able to use it right away. The mouthpiece is comfortable to use, and I like that it has two settings depending on your sensitivity level. The bright blue LED setting runs for 15 minutes for regular use, while the second setting is for sensitive teeth, so it only runs for 10 minutes. It's nice that the mouthpiece times itself, so there's no need to set a separate timer. Comes with its own charger that is shaped as a tooth. It's adorable. You just snap it right on, super easy. One thing I did notice that it is very easy to turn on and off, so I had to be very careful not to touch the middle because that would restart my session. Other than that, it was super easy to use. The gel you brush onto your teeth before using the light didn't have any taste to me, which I was really appreciative of that. Just twist the gel up in the pen and simply brush it on your teeth. Overall, the process felt easy, comfortable, and not messy at all. It's a simple, no fuss kit that was easy to add into my routine.